Hello, hi everyone, how are you? Today we will learn about how to create Google account. So first of all, you will need to go Play Store to download your Google app. So I have already downloaded in my mobile. So I should click on Google app to start to create my account. On create account, create new account. So it take a few seconds. So write your first name here, type your last name here. After that, write your date of birth, month, day here. Select your gender, female, male, rather not say custom. So I select male. Click on next. You want to use sized email address from Google. You need to click on above two of the one. So if you want to create own address, you need to click on create your own email address. So I click on the above of the one. Type your password. Password should contain upper and lower letters and special characters. Strong password protect your account from hackers or crackers. Click on next. Do not need to read above privacy or terms and conditions. So you need to just click on I agree and take few seconds. Wow, pop up, your account is running. You can type everything on your account. Wow, nice. Thank you for watching.